Hey guys, welcome to this our setting guide, and here I'll detail how to use passwords app in iPhone iOS 18. So if you go through your iPhone app screen, you discover that there's a new application called the password apps. So if you go ahead and open it, you'll be prompted to use your Face ID or use your passcode. So if I just search for password, then you're gonna see the passwords apps just like this. Then here, the password apps contains all the password you saved on your iPhone, including your Wi-Fi, passkey, codes, security, and deleted password on your iPhone. So here I'm going to show you how you can easily use this passwords app on your iPhone as a first-time user. So if I don't have this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to use the password apps on your iPhone iOS 18, the first thing to do is go ahead and open the passwords app. So if the password app is not available on your iPhone screen just like this, just click on the spotlight search and search for passwords. Then open it. You should say password is locked. Then you need to unlock the passwords app with your Face ID or passcode. Then first thing you want to notice is here you have all, which contains all your passwords. And then the second one is passkey. So if you set up passkey, maybe for your WhatsApp, for your Google account, for your Facebook account, then you're going to have them on passkey. At the same time, all saved Wi-Fi password is available here. So you can see all your saved Wi-Fi password. If you click on this is going to let you delete the saved Wi-Fi password on your iPhone by clicking on at the bottom left. Now, another thing you want to take note on the passwords app on your iPhone iOS 18 is that the security button shows you weak password or password that have probably been compromised. So if your password is found multiple times on the internet, then you're going to have them compromised here under security. Then you can just go ahead, check the password or hide it or even delete the password. So that is another function of the passwords app on your iPhone. However, if you want to delete passwords on this password app, you can just go ahead and delete them. And once you delete them, let's say this, and now I want to delete my router password. All I just need to do is this, click on it, and then click on edit, then tap delete. Now, once you delete the password, if you come back here to delete it, you're going to have access to the deleted password on the passwords application. And this password is going to stay here for at least 30 days before it's going to be permanently deleted. So you can just go ahead again, delete it yourself. So tap delete or tap recover. Now, another thing you can use the passwords app for on your iPhone iOS 18 is you can save a new password on it by clicking on the plus icon at the bottom right. Then go ahead, type in the information, the username, password, then add notes, and then click on the save button. Once you fill in the form and click on the save button, this is going to add the password to the passwords page here, and you're going to have access to the password here. So if the password application is not available on your iPhone, you can just go to App Store on your iOS 18. And once you open the App Store application on your iPhone, click on the spotlight search at the bottom right, and after that, click on passwords. So this is an application under the utilities on your App Store. Then if I go ahead and click on that, you're going to see this is app under utilities, that's category utilities. Then go ahead, tap get to download and install the password application. So there are various things you can use the password application for, including saving your Wi-Fi password or saving password for easy access, so that when next you want to use it online, you can easily access the password from suggestion on your iPhone and then use your Face ID or passcode to confirm to use the password. So that is basically all you need to know about the iPhone passwords app on iOS 18. So if you found this informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.